Good afternoon, children. I hope you all are keeping well. Let us begin with the last part of the fourth lesson, that is, animal life reproduction in animals. We are going to talk about mammals. As you already know, mammals are those animals that give birth to their young ones. Same thing is written here. The animals that give birth to babies are called mammals. The examples are tiger, deer, lion, cat, dog, elephant, cow, etc. Human beings are also mammals as they give birth to their babies of their own kind. See the various examples as well as human beings. The young ones of the mammals develop in mother's womb, as you all know, and after birth the babies feed on their mother's milk till they learn to feed themselves. So, mammals take care of their young ones. See the animals? They are feeding their babies and they are taking care of them. Whales and dolphins that live in water also give birth to babies. We all know fish are not mammals, but there is an exception: whales and dolphins. They do not lay eggs like fish. You can see the pictures of whale and dolphins here. So they are mammals. They do not lay eggs as fish. I hope you will all remember these exceptions. Now, bats. I hope you all know what are bats, which fly in the air, reproduce by giving birth to young ones. They are also exceptional case. So, whales, dolphins, and bats are all mammals. This is the last part of our chapter, taking care of the young ones. Mammals take care of their young ones. Birds and mammals both take care of their young ones for a longer time than other animals. Birds build nests for their eggs and look after their young ones. Their babies have no feathers, so the parent birds keep them warm and get food for them. See the pictures? They are taking care and they are bringing the food for the babies. Humans and other mammals also show a lot of parental care. Animals like dog, cats, lions, etc. take care of their young one like humans. See the pictures? They are taking care of their young ones till they are grown enough and they can take care of themselves. This finishes your fourth chapter. Thank you for watching, children.